I'm Michaela Nan from Period 3, and I interviewed Lee Nan, who is a labor and delivery nurse at Kaiser Permanente. Lee Nan has been working with Kaiser Permanente for 20 years. She enjoys her job and plans on keeping it until retirement. She is a mother of 3. Labor and delivery nurses work in clinics, hospitals, or birth center settings. They assist the physician or midwife with all aspects of pregnancy and childbirth. They monitor the fetal heartbeat, length and strength of contractions, administer medication, and calm women when in labor. They also perform tests on the newborn after birth. Additionally, they inform mothers on aspects of recovery and infant care. For the education necessary, you need at least a bachelor's degree in nursing. It requires at least 4 years of study. You can attend graduate school for 1 to 2 more years to get advanced certification in a certain field, such as advanced practice nurse, clinical nurse, or nurse practitioner. How you get the job is you first must be a registered nurse. You can graduate from a program of study approved by the state nursing board. You would get the job through an interview, and after the interview, they put you through training for 3 months at the hospital. You also must pass the NCLEX-RN exam to be considered a registered nurse. Some day-to-day activities include taking care of pregnant women while in labor, taking care of pregnant women while in preterm labor, assisting with medical complications, monitoring the health of the mother and infant, and mentoring student nurses. Interesting aspects about this job is they help bring new life into the world. Lee also said she once took care of who they called Octomom, who delivered 8 babies. It can be a sad place if the mother loses the baby, or a very happy place when the mother has a successful and healthy delivery. You also have to be quick and think on your feet during any sort of emergency. I asked Lee why she chose this job. She said when she was in nursing school, she enjoyed this rotation the most. It's also a predominantly happy place, because she gets to share the experience with the mother of bringing their baby into the world. She gets to solely take care of women whom she can relate to on a more personal level. Some difficulties about this job include having to be with the patient even if they're pushing for about 4 hours. It is also a sad place if the mom loses the babies. It can also be stressful with a very high sense of urgency because you're taking care of 2 lives at once. I asked how this job is unique from other nurses and doctors. It's unique because you help deliver babies, and it's more than just checkups, which doctors do. It's also an autonomous job because the nurse is the eyes and ears of the doctor. The doctor relies on the nurse to take care of the patient until they need to come in to help deliver. The labor and delivery nurse is there the majority of the time, and the doctor only comes in during the delivery. After interviewing Lee, I can see that being a labor and delivery nurse is a very interesting job. Thank you for listening to this presentation.